Hello everybody, this is Nora, and today I am going to do a review and a demonstration for you using this brand new SheModern glow-in-the-dark powders. Yes, they are awesome, and I have here only 3 out of the various colors that they do have on their website. I will have her website down in the description bar below so you guys can check out the other colors. They also just came out with neon colors, and I will be testing those later on. But for now, for today's mani, I am going to use this pink one. So this is the pink glow in the dark, and I've already started out with my testing it out on my 2 nails here. I'm going to show you how I go about using it on these 2 nails right here. But yes, so here's the container again, just like the other glitters. A very convenient spill proof bottle. So yes, I totally love that. These bottles are, they really just, it's a signature of SheModern powders and glitters. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. The base that I'm going to start out with is this one. I wasn't sure if I wanted a similar color, maybe do a white. I went with a similar color so that when there's no during the day they're not glowing, I still have that pink. This one is Glow with the Flow from China Glaze. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the base color and then start with the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here is the final result after I cleaned up and applied top coat. What do you guys think of the colors? So I am going ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put these under my UV lamp and take some clips and photos of them glowing in the dark, so I will go ahead and leave you guys with that. If you have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank SheModern for sending me these products to play with and review. And I hope you guys liked this video and this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.